live video, and then I'm going to make another one. So the last one was the best video ever, the best day ever. Still having the best day ever. Had a fantastic video. And in this video I want to make a little quickie, like what if someone's like shouting at you? What to do? Because yesterday's video or that I released was like, what if someone tries to take your phone or takes your phone? Like your partner. Not a stranger or a robber, but your partner. They're after your phone. What you doing on your phone that I want to have a look at? So that's a great video. So have a look at that from yesterday on my YouTube and Odyssey channel, okay? Odyssey's fantastic non-censored channel. So in this video I want to maybe say like, well, what to do if like someone's like arguing with you or shouting at you? Because that happened to me. So my neighbours like a few weeks ago, one of them was like very upset. They could have been taking something, or else they were having a very bad day. So I went over, a bit of a peacemaker, as I have been even since teenage years, peacemaking in between our brothers a little bit. So my point I want to make in this video is, it doesn't matter how other people are, for us to choose and wish and intend that to be the way we are towards them, which could be different. We don't have to mimic, copycat, be the same as somebody else, just because they're being a certain way with us. That's powerlessness. Powerfulness is being different and choosing how you want to be. So we can choose the emotional state that we want to be. We really can. Now, of course, we'll have to snap out of the little bit of an unconscious reactional state to realize what I just said. But we can make amends and say, make something go a totally different direction than the way it was going a minute ago. If it's an argument and it's going downhill fast, we can start stopping it going downhill by changing our energy, our mood, our emotions, our perception, and have the best day ever by making it the best day ever, by being the best of us. So we can say different words than we were a minute ago. Like, I made a mistake, I'm sorry, I hear what you're saying, I don't really want to be, I love you or care for you, we don't want to argue over this, and maybe the words I said are too harsh, or I'm sorry if I upset you, I'm sorry for saying words that are upsetting. They can end arguments, anything like that. Like, I just wish us to have a lovely day. Like, I know we both love each other, care for each other. It depends on who the person is. You change your words just a little bit, obviously. You don't say to the person like serving you like coffee or soup in a restaurant or a delicatessen or something, and they give you they're cranky or something, or we're cranky, and then we say, I love you, and like we care for each other so much from the bottom of our hearts. Woohoo! Nah, it's good to have fun and playful, but yeah, that'd be too much to say. Fun though, it'd be funny. But yeah, and if someone's shouting, we can just don't shout back. We don't have to interrupt somebody if they're interrupting us, which is very challenging for me still. Well, fairly challenging. But I'm getting there. I'm making some progress in that department. So yeah, just make progress every single day, my friends. Keep making progress and have the best day ever. Work on your own self-healing, self-care, self-love, self-forgiveness, self-compassion, self-being healthy, because emotions and the body are the same thing almost. What you do to one, you do to the other. Like, for example, the emotion of stress can cripple the body, even kill you eventually. Whereas simply the opposite way around, if you don't look after your physical body, you can really affect your emotional state dramatically to the point of depression, suicide, sadness, anxiety, just being in a bad, cranky, irritable mood. So emotions and mind and body, they're pretty much all one in this way I'm talking about. They're 100% all one in the way I'm talking about. So practice self-care, and you can remember you're the conscious creator of your life, and you can choose to be the way you want to be and be the way you want to be to others. It doesn't matter if they're being weird, bad, strange, unfriendly, non-kind, non-reciprocal. It doesn't really matter. I've gone through all of this stuff. So this is ascension from 1D to 6.5D. I'm joking there, but yeah, that's like becoming like Angel Academy, like Matt Kahn would say, or like becoming more 4 and 5D, much more like 5D. The way certain spiritual teachers will talk about. Gotta go. Lots of love. Give this a share, and I'd love to hear your comments. Give it a share, my friends. Help people.